Hi students, welcome to KSM classes. Today we will discuss binomial theorem. You will find one question in the advanced and at least one question in the mains also. Here the first problem is the last term in the binomial expansion of cube root of 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole power n is 1 by 3 into cube root of 9 whole power log 8 base 3. Then the fifth term from the beginning is, these are the options. Now we will write the expansion here. X plus a, I mean the general term or r plus 1th term in x plus a whole power n is equal to tr plus 1 is equal to NCR into x to the power of n minus r into a to the power of r. This is the general term in the binomial theorem. Now here, there being n as the index, as the power of this binomial, you will find n plus 1 terms. The last term, that is the n plus 1th term. So the last term in the expansion, let us call this expansion as e, and this is cube root 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole power n. The last term means tn plus 1. Tn plus 1 means by that formula ncn cube root of n whole power n minus n, that is 0, minus 1 by root 2 whole power n. So minus 1 by root 2 whole power n. This is the last term. NCN is 1, this is 1. This is minus 1 to the power of n into 1 by 2 to the power of n by 2. This is given to be 1 by 3 into cube root 9 whole power log 8 base 3. So it implies minus 1 to the power of n by 2 to the power of n by 2 is equal to, this is 3 square, 3 to the power of 2 by 3. 3 to the power of 2 by 3 into 3. So 2 by 3 plus 1, 3 to the power of 5 by 3. 1 by 3 to the power of 5 by 3 whole to the power of log 2. This is of course 8 base 3. Now here you can simplify like this, minus 1 to the power of n by 2 to the power of n by 2 is equal to, this is 3 to the power of minus 5 by 3. So this is the 3 to the power of minus 5 by 3 into log 2 cube base 3. So this 3 will come here, 3 and 3. This is 3 to the power of log 2 cube into minus 5 by 3 base 3. This 3 gets cancelled. This is 2 to the power of minus 5. So here a to the power of log m base a is equal to m, where a comma m are positive real numbers and a not equal to 1. So here this is 2 to the power of minus 5. So this is 2 to the power minus 5. 2 to the power of minus 5, that is 1 by 32. So it implies minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 to the power of n by 2 to the power of n by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 5. If you take n by 2 equal to 5, n equal to 10, this also will become positive. So n is equal to 10 from this calculation. The fifth term from the beginning. So T5 is required. T5 is now 10C4 into cube root of 2 whole to the power of 6 into minus 1 by root 2 whole to the power of 4. 10C4 into, this is 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole square, the whole power 6. And that means 2 to the power of, here 2 to the power 1 by 3. This is 2 to the power of 1 by 3 whole power 6. That is 6 by 3, 2 square. Into minus 1 power 4 is that. This is 1 by root 2 whole power 2 square. This will be cancelled. The resultant is 10C4. So the result is 10C6. Because NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So 10C4 is equal to 10C6. The first one is the option. The second problem is, let m be the smallest positive integer such that the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 1 plus x whole square plus 1 plus x whole cube plus 1 plus 1 plus x whole power 49 plus 1 plus mx whole power 50 is 3n plus 1 into 51 C3 for some positive integer n. Then the value of n is. This is a question given in JEE Advanced 2015 as an integer type question. Now we'll consider the solution. Let us look into solution. Let us take this one. 1 plus x whole square plus 1 plus x whole cube plus so on plus 1 plus x whole power 49 plus 1 plus mx whole power 50. This is the given expansion. Coefficient of x square in the expansion. Coefficient of x square in E is equal to, this is 1 plus x whole power 1 plus x whole square. So this is generally NC0, NC1, NC2 like that. 2C2 x square plus this is 3C2 x square plus 4C2 x square plus so on. This is 49C2 x square plus this is 50C2 m square is equal to, it is given as 3n plus 1 into 51C3. There is a formula, we will make use of that one. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. For that purpose, I will write 2C2 equal to 1, that can be written as 3C3 plus 3C2 plus 4C2 plus so on plus 49C2 plus 50C2 m square is equal to 3n plus 1 into 51C3. By that, here NC 2C2 is 1, 3C3 is also 1. So NCN is equal to 1 is one formula, and I have written instead of 2C2 here. This is NCR plus NCR minus 1. NCR plus NCR minus 1. N plus 1 CR. So this is 4C3 plus 4C2 plus here 5C2 will be there. So like this, 49C2 plus 50C2 m square is equal to 3n plus 1 into 51C3. Same formula, 4C3 plus 4C2, 5C3. 5C3 here there will be 5C2, 6C3 like that. This is 49C2. Before that 49C3 will come here. 49C3 plus 49C2. So 50C3. By proceeding like this, you will find 50C3 plus 50C2 m square. So this will be written as 50C2 plus 50C2 into m square minus 1. Because here m square is there, I am adding and subtracting 50C2. So this can be taken as 3n into 51C3 plus 1 into 51C3. 50C3 plus 50C2, NCR plus NCR minus 1. This is 51C3. This will be cancelled. Now here 50C2. I can write 50C2. 50 into 49 by 2 into m square minus 1 is equal to 3n into, this is 51, 50 into 49 by factor means 6. This is 2, 3 times, this 3 will get cancelled, 50 and 49 gets cancelled. So n is equal to, it implies n is equal to m square minus 1 by 51. M square minus 1 by 51. Now here 1 plus mx, and for some positive integer n, m be the smallest positive integer. This is also an integer and we are asked to find out the integer. So this m must be an integer, and here n must be an integer. That means this must be a multiple of 51 also. So here by verification, if you take m equal to 16 16s, 256 minus 1, 255. 255 means n is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 is the resultant.